Yes, I did. I got the free games, guys. I don't know which one's to pick. Wow. Which one to pick, guys? Holy smokes. Let's go. Let's go, guys. First time ever playing this game, guys. Come on, let's pop that pot. Oh, this is cool. That was a good hit. Come on. Come on. Ooh. Yes. Yes, guys. Bonus in the bonus. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, the mini. We're still in the bonus game, though. There we go. We got 3 left. Let's go, guys. Come on. Oh, oh, wow. Can we pop it again in the bonus? Let's go. Nice. Full screen, guys. Let's make this a hand pay. Come on. Oh, that's it. Not bad, guys. Not bad. All right. Oh, snap. Look at this. I've never had this before. Gosh, we get that explosions, guys. Or like bonus money times 3 times 4. How awesome would that be? Alright, not bad. First time playing this game, I saw this. I saw the gray and I saw this explosion feature. $500,000. I mean, it's not often you come across a machine that offers a jackpot like that. Alright, let's get some backup spins. Alright. Come on. Come on. Alright, I'll be back, guys.